Weather, climate, and adaptation of animals to climate. Weather and climate are two similar words with very different meanings. As a result, many people end up using them incorrectly. Weather refers to conditions of the atmosphere over a short period of times, for minutes to days, while climate means average weather of a place over a period of many years. Weather is what TV presenters forecast, like sunny, cloudy, windy, storm, etc. Let's study about them one by one. Weather. We find that the daily weather report carries information about temperature, humidity, and rainfall during the past 24 hours. It also gives the timing of sunrise, sunset, moonrise, and moonset. The weather report also predicts the weather for the day. Let us understand how to read the weather report. Temperature. The weather report given in the figure tell the maximum temperature during the past 24 hours was 36.5 degrees Celsius. The figure +3 in the brackets means that this maximum temperature is 3 degrees Celsius above normal. The minimum temperature during the past 24 hours was 28.6 degrees Celsius. The figure +2 in the brackets means that this minimum temperature is 2 degrees Celsius above normal. Moonrise and moonset. The weather report given in the figure tells us the moon will rise on Monday at 4:50 p.m. and will set on Tuesday at 4 a.m. Sunrise and sunset. The sun will rise on Tuesday at 5:35 a.m. and the sun will set on Monday at 7:20 p.m. Humidity. Measure of the moisture in air. We know that air or atmosphere always contains some water vapor or moisture in it. Humidity is a measure of the moisture in air. The weather report tells us that the maximum humidity recorded in the past 24 hours was 66% and the minimum humidity was 53%. Weather forecast. The forecast of weather for the day Sunday, in this case, tells us that the partially cloudy sky, which means it may rain. Thundery development is likely in some areas. The maximum and minimum temperatures predicted for the day is 37 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius. The atmospheric conditions on a particular day at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, speed and direction of wind, etc. is called the weather at that place on that day. The temperature, humidity and other factors are called the elements of the weather.